Welcome to another video of async file. I am Bibek Shah, and in this video we're going to take a look on how to convert a given Roman numeral into its equivalent decimal number. Link to the full problem would be in the description. We can assume that the given Roman numeral would be in caps and would be valid. For example, XXI would yield 21. So, what are the rules of the conversion? If the next digit is greater than the previous digit, we're going to subtract the previous digit from the next digit and add the resultant value with the previously calculated value. If the next value is less than the previous value, we're going to simply add the value. So, what's the algorithm? So, how are we going to calculate that? So, we're going to iterate through the Roman number. We're going to check if the next digit is greater than the current digit. If so, we're going to subtract the current digit from the next digit and add it to our final result, and the pointer which iterates through the Roman number will be increased by 2. If the next digit is less than the current digit, we're going to add the number to the resultant value and increase the pointer by 1. Let's say the number is IXX. Here I stands for 1 and X stands for 10. You can Google it and you will get the full list of Roman numerals that corresponds to the decimal number. Since X, which stands for 10, is greater than 1, so there would be a subtraction. IX is equal to 10 minus 1, which would give us 9. Now you will iterate through the current digits, next digit, which is going to be the last X, which is X. Now X is not greater than X, so the last X is not greater than the previous X. So there would be a normal addition with the previous value. So 10 would be added to 9, giving us 19. So IXX is equals to 19. Begin our code by creating a dictionary of the Roman numerals matched with the decimal equivalent value. We're going to create a function of Roman to _to_int, which will convert the Roman number into the integer value, taking the parameter as Roman. We need the numeral and the I, where numeral would calculate the final value and I would be our pointer. We're going to use a while loop while I is less than length of the Roman number, and we're going to use the present value num, which can be codes of Roman of I. And we're going to use a try and catch block for the after num, because after num can give us an error of index out of bounds, because we are checking for essentially I plus 1, which couldn't exist, which may or may not exist in the string. So we're going to use this except to figure out the error, and if it throws an error, we're going to directly return the result, which would be numeral plus the present num. Now if the present num is less than the after num, we're going to do the addition and then subtraction. So numeral plus equals after num minus the present num, else we're going to do numeral plus equals present num. We are going to increase the pointer of I equals to plus 2 for if present num is less than after num, and I equals to plus 1 if after num is greater than present num. We're going to return the numeral value. Let's quickly create a Roman num to take it user from the user. Enter the Roman numeral. Let's print it out on the console. Print it will be Roman num, and this will be function call of Roman _to_int. Let's test out our program. I've already created some test data, so let's look at that. So all the 5 test data works. So thank you again guys for watching this video. I hope you will like this. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for the next video. Bye bye.